The 8 powerful women of India. Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi is a retired police officer. She is the first woman to join Indian Police Service IPS in 1972. She remained in the service for 35 years as she brought reduction in crimes against women. Lata Mangeshkar. She is an Indian playback singer and occasional music composer. She has recorded songs for over 1,000 Hindi films and has sung songs in over 36 regional Indian languages and foreign languages. She has been awarded with Bharat Ratna. Indira Nui. Indira Krishnamurthy Nui is an American business executive and current chairperson and chief executive officer of PepsiCo. She was ranked at number 13 on the list of Forbes' world's 100 most powerful women. Mary Kom. Mary Kom is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from Manipur. She is a 5-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer who have won a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Through her successful career, she has established herself as one of the most popular and influential celebrities in India. Rai has received numerous awards and was awarded Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2009. She has often been called the most beautiful woman in the world. Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik is an Indian athlete. She is the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games and won a silver medal at 2016 in the shot put. She is associated with Himalayan Motorsports Association HMA. Neerja Bhanot. 7 September 1963 to 5 September 1986. Neerja was pursuer for the airline Pan American World Airways based in Mumbai, India. She lost her life trying to save passengers on flight which was hijacked by the terrorists during a stopover in Karachi, Pakistan. She became youngest recipient of India's highest peacetime award for the bravery, the Ashok Chakra Award. Kalpana Chawla. 17th March 1962, 1st February 2003. Kalpana was an Indian-American astronaut and first woman of Indian origin in space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. In 2003, she was one of the crew members that died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. Thank you.